Alright folks, how you doing? Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm working on, excuse me, I just ate my own beaver. For a lot of you, you have this system, like on gassers, they don't have really wheel wells in them, and the stuff flings all over underneath. A lot of your diesel pushers have kinda homemade fender wells. So see, it's all like a custom hard plastic and then rubber. Well, what happened right here, I had to drill it out, but if you see it, all that dry rot, there's the piece that dry rotted, and then here's the rest of it. Okay, so it kind of went like that. Oh Lord have mercy. Get that out of the way. So that was on there like that, and then I think that went like that. There you go. And dry rot. Not bad. It's only 5 years old. So what it does, it stops the tire right here. If you notice, it flings it right up into the slide mechanism. Alright. And this would probably lock the bearing up. I caught it. Let me see here. Put you on hold real quick. There you go. That's a little bit better idea. So that whole thing goes in that square right there. So I gotta cut out a new piece of rubber. Alright. And that way it don't fling it up. There's my fuel fill right there, which is right there. It goes down and around and boom. There's a big hose in there. You can see it. Alright. And the small one, if you see it, is the vent. It's in there somewhere. Oop. Well, making a liar of me. Anyway, I got hiccups. So I had to drill them out. The rivets, right? I've been showing you how to do that. There's all the washers. You can see it. The washers were actually stainless steel, for God's sake. They built them back then. So I'll get all this together. I'm going to put you on pause, show you the type of thickness rubber. So right here, I have rolls of this stuff, different thicknesses. So you can see how thick that is. That's a good 1/4 inch. That's a heavy duty rubber. I buy rolls of it. Speaking of rolls, let me see. Had to throw some more rubber out. There you go. There's your thinner rubber. Okay. And then I got, yeah, that was it. There's my selection of different woods, and then I got this thick cardboard here to make templates with when I make custom battery boxes and all. So I'll just open that up, make myself a new piece. I'll cut it out and I'll show you the new one. I got to get rivets out. I'll get the wide head. So basically, that's the beginning of it. Video 1. We can look under here, see what this side looks like. Here we go. So, alright, let's see here. Looking pretty good. Everything good. Everything good. Yep. Alright, so that side's good. It's just the other side, driver's side with the slide. Alright. So you have to stop that from getting water damage when you're driving down the road, tire flinging it up. Alright, just preventive maintenance, folks. Some of you out there, you need to go check your darn battery boxes, because you don't even check them. They're rotting out. Alright, so Jeff from RV Diagnostics. There will be a video 2. I'll show you the piece I cut out, the rivets I used, and I'll collect these washers together. They were stainless steel, so I got a part of the rivet that did not come out, if you see it. Let me see if I can. Oh yeah, wait, there's another one. I won't get them. Hold on here. Let's see. There you go. Okay. I drilled the head off. Just stainless steel. Okay. So I got to knock all these out and I'll reuse these washers. Because that's hard plastic right there. That's hard plastic. That's hard plastic. Oh, just this was rubber. Because it has to flex around that. Jeff from RV Diagnostics, video 1 on preventive maintenance and repair of a fender well.